In previous videos we've been looking at the 6 qualities that make a thought a purpose. In today's video we'll look at another 2, and we'll see that they reveal something important about the way human beings think. Not only do we imagine what we want, but we imagine a very specific version of it, and we imagine it in pictures and impressions. Quality 3 of 6, all purposes are perfect, ideal and unique within the circumstances. In other words, when we have a purpose, we imagine the very best version of achieving it. It's perfect because it couldn't be better, ideal because it's exactly as we wanted it, and unique because no one else's version can match up to ours. It's unique to us. Let's say I have a meeting with my bank manager and I need a loan, so I have a purpose: I want to be liked. I imagine my bank manager liking me exactly the way that I want him to. I imagine the perfect, ideal and unique version of achieving my purpose. But real life is rarely perfect, ideal and unique. So the real life version of achieving my purpose will never quite live up to the version I imagined. Which, by the way, can't have a brass band descending from the ceiling and then the bank manager conducting them through a round of He's a Jolly Good Fellow, because that might be perfect, ideal and unique, but it's not within the circumstances. Well, not in this example. If it was a fantasy musical, on the other hand. Quality 4 of 6, all purposes come in pictures and impressions. Now, pictures are mental images of the purpose. So back to the example of my bank manager and my purpose of wanting to be liked. I might have pictures of my bank manager smiling at me, of him shaking my hand vigorously, of him listening intently to what I've got to say. I might also have a general sense of us just getting along well together, and that's less of a clear picture and more an impression of the purpose. So purposes come in pictures or impressions or a combination of the 2. Now we've looked at 4 of the 6 qualities of a purpose. In the next video, we'll take a look at the final 2 and discover that purposes come with sense data and actions. And once we understand all 6 qualities, we can begin to see exactly how we can effectively create purposes for the characters we play.